Oh, you butt.
Alright, now I'm taxiing out. I'm going to go all the way clear down to the end, so you'll probably be able to do another touch and go.
Oh, you bet.
See? Told you. Alright, so since you're being impatient, I'm being impatient and taking off.
I'm done.
Gear down, gear up.
Okay, fast, slow pass from the right. Very fast.
Is that an FMS band?
Yep.
The one touch and go.
Alright, I'm gonna come out after Frank does touch and go.
Go ahead and go out. I'm going to do a pass, but go ahead and go out.
Coming out. Alright, I bet my gear to a while. Alright, taking off. Alright, I'm gonna do a low pass to the right.
Go. I'll be behind you. I'm going up behind you, a little further out. Go ahead.
Time remaining 1 minute, 1 second. Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, wait. Okay. He just taxied out.
Look at that, nice. Look it up. Alright, I'm gonna touch and go after you.
Does that have much anti-move or not?
Very little.
Touch and go.
It's supposed to have a lot more than that.
Oh, yeah, no.
And the airfoil's really fat,
Oh yeah,
and there's a lot of incidents too.
and the wingspan to length is different.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
way different.
But it
But
still looks good.
it looks just like the thing,
Yeah.
the real plane though.
It's a F-104.
Okay, after everybody goes by, fast pass.
Alright,
Alright, I'm clear.
touch and go right behind Ray.
And I gotta land.
9, 8,
Right behind you,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'm landing.
Time expired. Landing flap. Gear down.
Landing, guys.
Roger.
Come down quick.
Let it fall.
Braking.
That wasn't too bad. Stopped early. Good.
Release.
All right, let me clear out of here so Frank can do his short touch and goes.
Flaps up.
Right, you guys are clear. See, I told you.